Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max bundle. The Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max bundle, whether you are a movie buff, a TV junkie, or just looking to save some cash, this bundle might be exactly what you need or not. In the next 8 minutes, I'll break down everything you should know, the pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's truly worth it. So let's get into it. What is the bundle? So first off, what exactly is this bundle? The Disney Plus Hulu and Max bundle combines three major streaming platforms into one subscription. It launched in late 2024 and is still gaining momentum in 2025. Disney Plus gives you access to Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, Disney Originals, and National Geographic. Hulu offers a wide mix, current season TV, FX shows, original series, and tons of reality TV. And Max, formerly HBO Max, is home to blockbuster films, HBO originals, DC content, and Warner Bros. Classics. You get three different content styles under one umbrella, which is super convenient. Pricing in tiers. So, how much does it cost? As of early 2025, there are two main pricing tiers with ads, $20 per month. This includes all three services but with ad interruptions. A great budget option if you are okay with a few ads. Ad free, $30 per month, include Disney Plus, no ads, Hulu, no ads, and Max ad free. This is the best experience, especially for binge watchers. Compare that to subscribing to each platform separately, you would be spending around $45 to $50 per month, depending on the plan. So you are saving about 35 to 40% monthly, which adds up over time. The pros. Now let's talk about the good stuff. The pros of this bundle. Number one, huge content library. You are getting blockbusters, award winning originals, live TV with Hulu if you upgrade, and even kid friendly programming. One payment, three platforms. It simplifies your subscriptions and reduces subscription fatigue. Multi device streaming. All three platforms support smart TVs, phones, tablets, game consoles, and web browsers. Personalized profiles and recommendations. Each platform still maintains its own interface, so you are not stuck with a confusing mashup. Number five, value for families or roommates. You can set up multiple user profiles and stream on several devices at once. Overall, it's a bundle that actually feels worth the price. The cons. But of course, it's not all perfect. Here are some downsides. Three separate apps. You still have to switch between Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max. No unified interface like Netflix's multiple profiles. Ads in the cheaper tier. The $20 plan includes ads on all three platforms, which can get annoying fast if you binge a lot. Regional restrictions. Some content on Max and Hulu may not be available internationally, which can be a letdown if you travel or live outside the US. No live TV by default. If you want Hulu Plus Live TV, that is a separate add on. It is pricey. Still, these cons are not deal breakers for most users, especially if you are mainly in it for on demand shows and movies. Who is this bundle for? So, who should actually get this bundle? Movie and TV buffs, you will love the endless variety across all three apps. Families, Disney Plus is great for kids, while Hulu and Max cater to adults. Cord cutters, if you are canceling cable, this bundle gives you premium entertainment without a big bill. Budget savvy streamers, compared to paying separately, the bundle is a steal. But if you only watch one platform regularly or hate dealing with ads, you might want to consider standalone subscription to your favorite. Final verdict. The Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max bundle in 2025 is one of the biggest deals in streaming right now, especially for families, binge watchers, or anyone looking to trim down multiple subscriptions. It is not flawless. The ads in the base plan and multiple app situation can be a little annoying, but the value for the price is hard to beat. If you're already paying for two out of the three, it's honestly a no brainer. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.